Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Free II with iPhone. And to do this, we'll need to open Bluetooth on our iPhone. You can access it through the settings or through notification bar like I do. So here's the Bluetooth. Make sure that it's enabled, then hold your finger onto it and go for Bluetooth settings. Right here, let's disconnect this device just to show you how to pair it. And now we can open a case with our JBL, and instantly you should see them in other devices right after opening a case. Here we have it, but if you can't find them, you might need to remove the right earbud. Make sure to leave the left one inside the case and leave the case open. Then hold the button on the right earbud. You need to hold it until the LED lamp stops flashing. Now hold the same button again until it starts flashing, like that. Now leave it not in the case and refresh the list. Your JBL Free II should be available. Click on it, and now they are paired with your iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.